both the accused and the victim were staying on rented room of one Prudencio Carnero, native of residence of Navelim. So in the morning, said Satish Kohli asked him to prepare a tea for him. So he refused to prepare. So in this anger, he assaulted on his head with the iron rod. So further, after assaulting, the accused person fled away from the place. And in this connection, the owner of the house, Prudencio Carnero, registered a crime. So during our investigation, we recovered the weapon, that is iron rod, from the spot, and also arrested the accused person from near sewerage plant Navelim. So presently we arrested the accused and our further investigation is in progress. The accused person was staying with the victim for last 1.5 months back, since 1.5 months back. The victim is a tailor by profession, and accused person was a laborer and was doing the work of marble fitting and all. So tomorrow we will produce the accused before the JMFC and will take the remand for further investigation.